Watch what happens when I call this pool service business at 10 p.m. Well, basically, an AI assistant will pick up the call. It will qualify me as a lead, handle my objections, provide an accurate quotation, and also try to book an appointment with me. Now, if that sounds cool, then you'll definitely love this demo that I'm about to show you guys. So here I'm calling a number right now. So let's see who picks up the call. Well, basically,
Hi, this is Nick from Ripple Service. How can I help you?
hi there. I'd like to get a quote for my pool.
Absolutely, I'd be happy to help. Before I give you a quote, I just need to ask a few quick questions about your pool to make sure we get the pricing right. Sound good?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Great. First off, do you have a pool suite?
Yes, I do. I also have an in-ground spa and a diving board.
Got it. And just one last thing. Are there any trees overhanging or surrounding your pool?
No, I do not have any trees overhanging around my pool.
Thanks for the info. Based on what you've shared, your total would be $200 per month. Here's what's included with our full service package. Weekly pool cleaning, chemical balancing for both pool and spa with no extra charges, seasonal filter cleaning, monthly phosphate treatment, and a detailed report after each visit. It's all on a month-to-month basis, so there's no long-term commitment. How does that sound to you?
Actually, that's a bit. That's very expensive for me. That's not around my budget at all. So yeah, thanks.
I totally understand. Just out of curiosity, is our pricing more, less, or about the same as what you're used to paying?
I used to pay like $120 per month. So in that case, $200 per month is very expensive for me. So yeah.
Gotcha. I understand. The difference with us is that we include all chemicals and filter cleaning at no extra cost, and we provide detailed reports after every visit. Our trained technicians ensure your pool is in perfect condition without you having to worry about anything. How about this? If you sign up today, I can offer you 30% off your first month to give us a try. No long-term commitment. Just see if you like it. How does that sound?
All right, that sounds good. I'm good to go. I'm down for the 30% offer for the first month. I want to try this out.
Great. Thank you for choosing Ripple Pool Service. Could I get your name and phone number so we can follow up and finalize?
Sure. My name is Oscar. My number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.
Thank you, Oscar. A team member will follow up with you shortly.
So this was an AI assistant, and as you can see, I threw a couple of objections, such as I'm not interested, the price is very expensive. These are some regular objections, of course, and it initially tried to reestablish the value that the business provides, that we don't include the charges for chemicals and stuff, and then it also tried to give me a 30% offer for my first month, which was pretty good. So yeah, now this was basically built for a pool service business, but this can be built for HVAC, pump, plumbing, cleaning, or any type of home service business you can think of. And the benefit of this is basically you don't have to hire a VA and pay thousands of dollars every month for this. You can just have this installed in your phone one time, and then it will run on your business 24/7. Similar to this pool service business, what are the most common problems that home service businesses face? Starts off with missed calls, because missed calls equals missed revenue. Every missed call could be a $300 or $400 job, and it's absolutely being lost because you are simply delaying the response, or the time that you need to get back to your customer, because voicemails are very outdated nowadays. Plus, you're not available 24/7. Like if you're plus you're not available 24/7. That's impossible for a human, even if you hire a sales rep or something. After our Sunday's lunch break, everyone's busy at some time of the day, and you could be missing out calls on certain parts of the day, and yeah, you could be missing out on thousands of dollars of revenue just like that. And voicemails do not get responses anymore because it's 2025. It's the age of AI, and systems like voicemails, IVR systems like the where you press 1 2 and 3 and you reach out a customer or a sales rep, these systems are getting outdated, and they're gonna be get wiped out completely because of AI. Why? Because having a 24/7 assistant like this one ensures that not a single lead is missed out throughout the cracks. And having an AI like this that can talk in a very human like manner ensures that your customers or your leads are getting the personal touch they deserve. So customers definitely want the instant answers, not that we will call you back. And yeah, that's why voicemails are getting more ineffective as time goes on. And you're paying for leads you're not closing. You're spending thousands of dollars on ads and you're just delaying the follow-ups, or maybe you're just not picking up the calls when they are calling you. Plus, people will not compare your service with your local competitors. They'll just compare it with the best of the best, such as how fast are you actually reaching out to them? Like, are you actually missing out? Like, are you available when they need you? That's the whole point of it. Are you responding to their emails, or are you responding to their calls instantly or not? That's how high the bar is right now. So yeah. Now, how does it actually look like when you don't have an AI assistant like this for your business? Calls are coming in, no answer, or uses voicemails that please leave a voicemail, blah blah, and then you're losing leads because they're not getting the information that they need or the quotation that they need. Anything could be anything, basically the information, and then you're losing money down the drain. Let's say whatever you want to call it. Now, what could be the actual solution for this? So let's be realistic over here. Having an AI caller like this ensures that you answer every single call day or night, and you'll basically never miss a single lead ever again, even at 10 p.m. or even on a Sunday. It also qualify lead automatically, just like you saw on the demo, and it was pretty smooth, I'm not gonna lie, because it was trained in that way. It was trained on multiple conversations or call data, let's say, and on various conversations of the business, which helped the AI to actually speak in their own brand voice of the business. So it will basically filter out the time wasters and only book the high quality jobs that your business needs. Basically, like capture the call details of every call. So let's say for every calls that you guys get for per day, you can just record those calls and then send these calls to the AI, and the AI will basically analyze the transcripts of those calls, and then it will understand your brand voice, and then we can use that data to train that voice AI, and then it will be able to speak in your own brand voice, and that's very very effective, because that's basically like having a 24/7 AI a digital assistant that never gets tired basically. So I hope you guys get the point. Now, it will also be able to book appointments into your calendar, let's say Google Calendar or maybe any other calendar you have. You can integrate this into your calendar directly. So once an appointment has been booked, that information, the appointment will be sent straight to your calendar, and you will also be able to receive notifications immediately. Let's say someone, if the AI answers the call, and once the call has ended, you will instantly receive a notification. That could be via email or SMS. The way we want to set this up, we can do that. And there's also CRM integration for that as well. So if you want to track each of our calls, like how good are the calls going, or how good is the AI handling each of the calls, and if you want to track all the call summaries and stuff, all general information, then we can integrate this with the CRM, let's say HubSpot or go high level, any CRM we want, and then send this to the CRM so that we can track every data, and then handle objections on the spot. How do I know you'll show up? And plus, you did say that I said that the price is very expensive, and it did handle pretty smoothly. It can handle objections like your own sales reps actually do. Like if you guys follow a script, then we can train that voice AI based on the script that you guys have, and it will be able to do just that, or maybe even much better. That's how good AI is, and I hope you guys know that by now. Basically, reliable, repeatable, and revenue generating, because it works 24/7, never gets tired, and once you set it up, you can simply forget about it. Like set it up once, and you'll just forget about it, because there's basically an assistant running for 24/7. So let's say if you're on a vacation, then you don't have to worry about missing out on a call, because your AI will be handling the calls for you. Enough yapping, and if you guys don't know who I am, then my name is Manzarul Haq Choudhury, and I build AI solutions for businesses. I basically help businesses integrate AI into their business. Like I audit their business and see which parts of the business needs AI and how they can actually use it to increase their revenue, or maybe let's say save their time for their business, or at least get more leads. Now, what does it look like once you actually have an AI assistant like this implemented into your business? So once a call comes in, the AI will answer the call instantly. Or we can also set up a trigger that, let's say you are busy and you're not picking up the call for, let's say, 10 or 15 seconds. Only then the call shall be transferred to the AI. We can also set up a system like that. Uh, And once the AI answers the call, it will basically qualify the lead and then book the job, and you get paid. As simple as that. Now, if you want to build this yourself, then I have created a free AI caller template. Basically, this is a template which you guys can use to create a voice assistant like this for your business right away. And there's also a setup guide as well, like which platforms do you need, how do you actually build this up step by step. And yeah, or maybe if you don't want to do that, maybe if you're looking for an easier path or an easier option, then you can actually watch this video where it is basically a technical video where I explain the whole process of how you can build an AI voice agent for a home service business that can, yeah, do the stuffs that I mentioned in this whole video. Finally, if you want us to build it for you start to finish, then you can book a free demo call with us in the description down below. We'll go through the entire process and we'll show you how we'll build this up for you, and we'll see if we're a good fit to work together or not. Now that's it for today's video. I genuinely hope you guys found this video valuable, that how actually you can implement AI into your business so that you don't miss out on single calls from now on, and at least get some extra revenue from now on each month. That's it for today's video, and this was not a technical video. I know I post a lot of technical videos like how to build AI voice agents using VAP, Make, all of that. But yeah, I just tried to go through an overview type of video where I just go through the Miro boards and stuff and show how the process actually works or what are the benefits of it. And if you guys think these kinds of videos are valuable for you, especially if you're a business owner and you want to get educated about AI, if you found this video valuable, please feel free to hit the like button, subscribe, and yeah, drop a comment if that's what you want. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.